You may have received an email that there's a comment awaiting moderation on your managed WordPress website. Let's go check it out and find out what that is. I'm on my login screen, mkwebsite1.com/WP admin. I'm going to log myself in, and you and I are going to check this out together, see what all the commotion's all about. You may get emails from time to time from real subscribers or real comments from actual people. And you're also going to receive the flip side, spam. People who like to spam your website. So you can tell right here on this particular staging website, there's 13 updates. There's 3 comments and there's 8 plugins, which is giving me some sort of notification. I already know what that is. It just means it's updated, or it means there's outdated plugins on there that we've got to update. Plugins are like tools on the website. Comments, there are 3 spam comments, or there's 3 comments, but I can already tell they're spam because on my HUD, the heads-up display, when I log in, there is some foreign writing here which I do not understand, which tells me it's probably spam. And since I only write my blog articles in English, this is definitely spam. And of course, I'm gonna read what is this. So, Ronald Wape on what's a local listing says something, but it looks like complete gibberish. So, a lot of this is complete nonsense. Now, I could also I could spam this from here and just click, hey, this is spam, and it'll delete it. And this is probably the quickest way. Another way is by clicking comments. So from this left-hand navigation menu, I'm going to click on comments. It's going to take me right into my post dashboard with all the comments here. And from here, I can moderate them. Now I'm going to read all these as well, but since I can already tell they're in a totally different language from people I don't know who they are, it's irrelevant to me. So for instance, I'm going to read this. It doesn't make sense. It's spam to me. It's irrelevant, especially since a lot of my writing is in English. So I would expect that comments would be in English. And again, this is spam. And of course, James S., like this could actually be a legitimate comment. So I know this one's approved. It's not spam. This, James S. could actually be very legitimate. So in some cases, you're going to receive legitimate comments, and that's okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.